Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today we are repairing the AC on this 2018 Honda Accord. So far we removed the compressor, condenser, pipes and the expansion valve. So guys, this is the old expansion valve that we removed, and this is the old compressor. New compressor. This compressor don't come with the clutch, pulley and coil on it. Only come with the solenoid on the side. So we have to remove the pulley, clutch and coil off the old compressor and fit it on this new one. We also have the oil here for the compressor, also the receiver dryer. Here it is. That's what we're going to install in the condenser. Also we're going to install a new expansion valve. We'll show you that further on in the video. I'll show you the pipes and the condenser. So guys, this is the condenser here. This is the pipes. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, hit that small icon bell so you will be notified every time we drop a new video. Also, this video is sponsored by Just Chill crispy breadfruit chips. Guys, you can follow them on Instagram. Trust me, this breadfruit chips is delicious. Grab one today. This is the old dryer that we removed. New expansion valve. So guys, we install the clutch, coil and pulley and the new compressor. So we're going to fit it up right now. We finished install the compressor, also the expansion valve, condenser and the pipes. Please follow us on Instagram, TikTok and like us on Facebook. We finished pressurize and check for a leak, and we also vacuum the system, so it's time to regas. Engine start. Compressor check in. We finish regas the system. So guys, right now I'm gonna check inside. Wow, and the AC is blowing cold. Another successful job from Kirk School Air Auto. Guys, please like and share this video. And remember, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit that small bell so you will never miss a video.